going on, everybody? So today I'm not really doing anything to my car, but my friend's car, the purple Miata. We had to take out the engine because he had rodknock. So we have a new engine. We already took out the old engine, and now I'm basically just gonna show you guys what rodknock looks like in a Miata engine. First, this is the new engine. It's all clean and sexified. And hey, Seth.
Hey.
We took everything out of here.
Oh,
like
no,
little.
he's too lazy for that. It's all good.
And that is the one that blew. Hey, Dylan, wobble that. Oh shit, there's no bearing on there.
Yeah.
That's sad.
What?
Actually looks pretty sexy.
Good clutch. I'll call you
Except
back.
for the fly sitting on.
Yeah. The fly on the flywheel. Stay tuned for more updates, people. We will have this shit in.
Soon.
And they're right, Dylan.
Hopefully.
Man, no, there's no hopefully. We're getting this shit in. Nick.
Boom.
Barnyard builds. Stay tuned, y'all. Barnyard builds. He sucks.
Fuck you.
When?
Right now.
No! Look at him work. Look at him work. Oh. Okay. Hey, you have a halo. Oh, it went away. I guess that's the sign.
Yeah, I'll come back in.
Bitch. What?
Show him what's inside the oil can.
There's like a cup of shards.
And this.
Holy fuck.
Yeah, whenever I said my engine blew.
Like, that is like... Isn't that all the bearing and everything?
Yeah.
Jesus.
Bearings, probably some piston and that'll work here.
God. Well, that's what it looks like when you have rodknock, people. Just terrible. Oh well.
My rodknock lasted for about 2 hours.
See what you did? What's his name? I can't see it. The rodknock mod shop.
Chris Rednick.
Chris Rodknock. Shout out.
Chris Rodknock strikes again.
He struck again. Can't stroke. Yee. Alright, peace, people. Adios.